early learners. Step 19 of phonics. Vowel diagraph, I-E. Don't go past go. The lesson before supposed to want to come. Teach or learn the lesson concept. Lesson concept. Vowel diagraph, I-E. Makes two sounds, long I and long. Get ready. Here we go. I-E, making the long I sound. Cur, I, d, cried. Cur, I, s, cries, cries. Der, I, d, dried, dried. Der, I, s, dries, dries. Fur, I, d, fried, fried. L, I, lie, lie. L, I, s, lies, lies. L, I, d, lied, lied. P, I, pie, pie. P, I, s, pies, pies. Sp, I, s, spies, spies. T, I, tie, tie. T, I, d, tide, tide. Get ready. Here we go. I-E, making a long E sound. Bur, E, f, brief, brief. Ch, E, f, chief, chief. Gur, E, f, grief, grief. F, E, ald, field, field. Per, E, st, priest, priest. E, re, l, E, f, relief, relief. B, E, B, l, E, v, believe, believe. B, E, B, l, E, f, belief, belief. E, f, thief, thief. Y, E, ald, yield, yield. Good job. Good. Good.